VidIQ is one of the leading applications designed to help you save time and get more views on YouTube. I've been using it for the past month, and now I want to share with you the best and worst things about it. First, let's talk about price. VidIQ has a totally free plan that gives you access to some of the site's features, but I'm going to be reviewing the Boost plan, which I think costs about $40 a month if you pay annually, or $50 a month if you pay month to month. This is by no means cheap, but the question is it worth it? In my opinion, yes. Here's why. VidIQ links to your YouTube channel and uses artificial intelligence to study the content that you create and your target audience. All of this information powers the site's most powerful features, one of my favorites being the daily ideas. We both have experienced burnout or idea block when it comes to content creation. It is very frustrating to not be able to come up with video topics, especially when your posting deadline is coming right down to the wire. Well, VidIQ has all but solved that problem for me. Each day you can log on and find an assortment of video ideas, all generated by the AI and ranked according to how well the AI thinks those videos will perform on your channel. The video ideas certainly aren't always perfect, but sometimes they really hit the nail on the head. In any case, they serve as a great inspiration to pull me out of idea block. The great thing is even VidIQ's totally free plan comes with multiple video ideas every single day, so if you haven't downloaded it yet, I highly recommend it. I have a link in the description below. The next awesome feature of VidIQ is their channel audit page, where they super simplify your analytics to let you know which content you should be posting more of and which content isn't resonating well with your audience. This page makes analytics super intuitive and saves me a lot of time, all while packaging it within this really visually appealing user interface. On top of that, they have an achievements page to celebrate your YouTube milestones, kind of like a video game. It is a great reminder of how far I've come personally in my YouTube journey and an inspiration to just keep making awesome content for you guys, my subscribers. Speaking of your subscribers, you can spy on them now. I'm not kidding. VidIQ has a subscriber insights tool that analyzes the activity of your subs and shares the channels that they're subscribing to, the videos they're watching, and when they're online. Obviously, none of this information is individualized. Like, I don't know that you specifically are watching this video at 3 a.m. when you should be sleeping instead, but I do know that in general, a lot of my subscribers watch YouTube around 6 p.m. on Sundays. I can learn this info one of two ways with VidIQ. The first is by reading the graphs in the subscriber insights page, but the second is by asking my virtual artificial intelligence YouTube coach. One of the newest offerings from VidIQ, their AI YouTube coach is powered by Chat GPT and is infused with information about your YouTube channel. That means where Chat GPT isn't able to give you personalized information about your YouTube channel because it can't link to it, VidIQ's coach is able to study your analytics and give you truly helpful suggestions and guidance in the ways of the tube. This is an incredibly accessible way to learn YouTube analytics, and just get better at content creation in general. The AI coach is able to explain your analytics, what they mean, how they work, and what you can do to change them in really easy terms, removing a lot of the frustration and headache that I used to feel around YouTube analytics. This is a huge asset, especially to new YouTubers who can be intimidated by the YouTube stats. VidIQ has a bunch of other features like best upload practices, SEO optimizers, and a great tag tool, but in my opinion, the AI coach is the best thing about it because it takes all of these really cool features and blends them together in a really accessible manner. Now let's get to things that I don't like, and honestly there's not a whole lot of those with VidIQ, but there are a few things I could maybe nitpick on. The first is that the channel audit system doesn't separate your long form YouTube videos, your couple minute YouTube videos, from your YouTube shorts, and that's a really important separation to have because they perform so wildly differently in your analytics. Like, your retention graphs for shorts can be super long. You can get up over 100% retention, whereas you're never going to have that with a regular form YouTube video. So having some separation in those would be really nice, just so that you can understand better how the shorts are performing versus the regular videos. And if you're mainly a regular videos person, you don't have to weed through a bunch of shorts that are interspersed in there. So I'd like to see some change to that in the VidIQ system. I also think that some of the AI features aren't fully fleshed out yet. Like, the AI description generator really is not that good. I don't see myself using that like ever. But at the same time, the AI is in its beta form, so it's expected. You don't expect things to be perfectly polished. Now I want to know what you think. Does VidIQ seem worth $40 per month to you?